This is the AI engineering series. In this series, I'm going to teach you, maybe you are a beginner watching this video. So I just want you to know, I'm going to teach you from the basics of what is AI, all the way to the level where you can be able to build application like this. So I'm also a back-end developer. I develop application that integrating AI models. I created quiz application where it's going to generate a quiz for you. I created a scholarship tracking system where you're going to just ask him to go and search for a scholarship for you. The AI agent will go and search for a scholarship and fill the form for you, and now it will continue tracking the scholarship. And also, I built several applications like that, and so on and so forth. So in this series, I'm going to teach you how to develop all this kind of application that I developed recently to learn from me as an AI engineer. So my name is MK Movie. I'm an AI engineer. So this is the goal of this series, like I told you, is to teach you AI engineering, specifically to teach you how to develop uh, application that will work with AI. So if you come to this series and expecting me to teach you PyTorch, to how to create model from scratch, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to teach you how to create model from scratch. No, but I'm going to teach you how to work with existing model, how to leverage the existing model, the pre-trained model, where you can use them to create application and your model, and you merge them together. So your application will become very smart. So that's the goal of this series, to teach you how to create application and combine it with an AI model to make the application very smart. Like the one I developed, you just upload your material and to generate a quiz for you. Then the second thing is, now I tell you what is the goal of this series, and then next thing I want you to understand is how am I going to teach you, like what's the process I'm going to follow. So you might expecting a computer, a laptop. Yes, we will come to that. So this is my process. The first thing I'm going to do is teach you the theory part. This is where I am going to come and explain it all in this whiteboard. After you understand the theoretical part, then we move on to the practical part, which is we're going to do it in computer, in the laptop. So where I record my computer laptop screen, you see me writing code and I explain every line of code what it's doing. That's the practical. Then after that, then you do the practical yourself. Then in that case, I'm going to give you a little bit of exercise where you're going to do it yourself. So what do you need for you to be able to, uh, what do you need for you to join with this course? So first of all, you need Python foundation, which is, yes, you need, oh, I said you need programming foundation. You need to know Python from the scratch. So this is your prerequisite. If you want to join this series, you have to have Python foundation in your belt, like a fundamental. You know what is variable, conditional statement, function definition. You know all about this stuff from Python, and also you know a little bit about object-oriented programming, all within Python. So if you know all of those stuff, then now you are ready to start learning AI with Python. But if you don't know any of this, then there is a problem. You have to go back, learn a Python foundation, and then you will come and join this series. And also, if you are not familiar with Python, but you are a developer, maybe you are familiar with JavaScript and you are familiar with any other programming language. So since you already have a programming background in your belt, you know how to code, it's going to be very easy for you. You just have to learn a syntax of Python, how to do this in Python, how to do that in Python, like how to create a variable, how to create a function, how to put a conditional statement in Python. That's all what you need, even if you do not familiar with Python. So I'm very sure if you are ready, you can subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to provide the link of the material we're going to use, like our roadmap, and also I'm going to provide the link of those applications that I mentioned I created, so that you can go and check it yourself to see what you can be able to do at the end of this course by yourself. So if you have any question, you can mention in the comment section below. See you in our next video, where we're going to start from the beginning of AI Foundation.